Okay, we are officially recording here. All right. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Winwood Sand, aka Mr. Dow Jones. I'm one of the co-founders of the Investing Made Easy movement. And we created this platform to show everything possibly we can do investing through digital platforms and keeping it simple. Of course, our main course, what I like to call it, is Forex, foreign exchange, specifically US 30. We've been absolutely killing it this month. How many people are excited about that? Since November 1st, we have not lost a trade as of yet, and we're going to keep the streak going. If you're excited, put some number 10s in the chat right now. If you've been benefiting from the trade signals and the education, type a number 1 in the chat. Yeah. We've been absolutely killing it, guys. Before I get started, I want to hear the testimonies, guys. I want you guys to share your stories. Okay. A great 60-second video from each and every one of you just to share your experience with Investing Made Easy would be great. Submit the video on the Telegram group, just like I believe Jamar did. He just recorded his video with a smartphone, very quick and simple, and posted it in the US 30 Daily Dow chat. That would be very appreciative. I'd be very appreciative of you guys if you were to take your time out and keep it brief and do a simple video of sharing your experience so we can share that and put it up on our websites and let everybody around the world know what we have going on. Okay. If you can do that, type number 9 in the chat. If you can do that, we have something that works. We want to share with the world that this is actually in existence. A lot of people don't even know what Forex is. A lot of people don't even believe this is real, but we're here to show people that this is in fact the real deal. And Investing Made Easy is probably one of the best platforms in the world that you can get started with. They keep it simple, right? So let's get started with the basics here. I'm going to share my screen here. Just one moment. And some of you guys have seen this before, but I'm going to share it again. Because when you do things repetitive, it kind of sticks to the memory, right? Instead, when you share things and information, most people only retain 1% of it. So we're going to keep sharing it and sharing it and sharing it until it becomes muscle memory. And then eventually you can become independently profitable and do things on your own. All right. So let me go over the basics here. I'm going to share my screen. Just one moment here. So we understand what US 30 is, right? Let's talk about it. US 30 is the United States Stock Market Index. US 30, the Dow Jones, is a price-weighted index that tracks the performance of 30 large and well-known US companies that are listed mostly on the New York Stock Exchange, right? So you guys need to know what that is, okay? What else is a part of the index? You have the NASDAQ, right? The NAS 100. You also have the S&P 500. This can be traded also on the stock market, okay, as well as the foreign exchange market, okay? The stock market is really catered to investing into companies. Foreign exchange is really catered to investing into currencies. Two different markets, right? One is 24 hours, 5 days a week, which is Forex. You can make gains with a minimal investment. And then the stock market is it's Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? Which you do need a little bit of a capital to make profits trading stock, okay? Moving right along. Let's talk about it. We talked about brokers. Let's talk about the broker now. So we were big Hugo's Way supporters, right? I've been trading with Hugo's Way for years, never had an issue. But recently they've been suspended from MetaQuotes. If you don't know what MetaQuotes is, it's the corporation of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So they say they're doing a migration. They're moving all old accounts over to the new system, but it's still going on. And if you still have your money in Hugo's Way, you need to go ahead and withdraw it and put it in another broker that's compatible with US 30. Okay. I'm using Cot Forex. You can see the example right there on the right, cotforex.com. I'm actually using a couple of different brokers. I'm using Athens Market and Sway Markets. A lot of you guys are using the prop firms, which is good. Whatever it is, Hugo's Way, which I'm updating now on the website, is no longer at the moment. Okay. So you want to go ahead and switch that up. How many people are using a different broker outside of Hugo's Way? Type number 2 if you are. You want to make sure that you've already moved your money out. At this point, they're still doing the migration, and you won't be able to place trades. Any active trades that are open with Hugels Wave are closed. And if you want to see where your money is, you have to log into hugelswave.com. You will see your money in there, and you simply select withdraw and send it over to a Bitcoin wallet, an external Bitcoin wallet. That can be your Cash App, that can be crypto.com, that could be Coinbase, whatever you're using. That's a Bitcoin wallet. You can transfer your money out and then deposit it into a different exchange. If that makes sense so far, type the number 1 in the chat if that makes sense so far. I want you guys to understand. I want you guys to get it. I want you guys to understand. I want you guys to get it. If that makes sense so far. Is anybody lost on what I just said? I'm single one. Right? Type number 1s in the chat if that makes sense about the Hugels Way and what's going on. Move your money out of there immediately and put it in a different broker account. Okay? Good. So we got that. All right. So how to fund, let's just say, any broker you're using, CotForex. Guys, you can go to YouTube. Okay? YouTube, I'm a fan of YouTube University. I will actually be putting new tutorials up where I'll be explaining how to fund your account, how to do withdrawals. My own personal version is keeping it simple, but there's a lot of different versions on YouTube. If you want to learn how to fund CotForex or whatever broker you're using with Cash App, you just type in how to transfer money from Cash App to CotForex in YouTube. Okay. How to withdraw money from CotForex to Cash App. You can put that in YouTube. Okay. All this stuff is on YouTube. All on YouTube. Prop firms. How to sign up for what's the name of the prop firm? I'm lost right now, right? All that stuff is on YouTube. It'll show you how to sign up for a prop firm. It'll show you what an evaluation account is, the different type of accounts, passing the phases, all that good stuff, and telling you the difference, which we will be setting up tutorials for that and updating everything. Okay, let's move right along. All right, so we let's talk about how we place the trades. Okay, I'm gonna move from this step here. All right, let's talk about this. This is a better example. All right, so you guys are familiar with the trade signals, right? How the trade signals come out. There's an example in the middle column right there. It says US 30 buy stop, and then we have a US 30 sell stop. Most of the time, okay, 95% of the time, we'll be putting out 2 trade ideas, one for the buy stop, one for the sell. Okay, your job is to copy the numbers that you see under buy stop, under sell stop, and put them in your MetaTrader 4. Okay, you put both trades in. Those are 2 different types of trades. This example that you're seeing here is on an iPhone. The Android looks a little different. Okay, and I'll break that down to you in a second. Right. So when you see these trade signals, if you're a newbie, okay, where it says entry, the entry means price. Okay. TP, if you're following me, means take profit. That's the target we want to hit. So when you see TP, we want our market, our trade to go in the right direction. Once it hits the TP, our target, that means take profit. We're going to jump out. The trade's going to close by itself at take profit, right? SL means stop loss. If the trade goes the wrong direction, this month we're undefeated, right? If the trade goes the wrong direction, we're going to have a stop loss there. Okay. The stop loss is going to delete the trade at a percentage. That way you don't go, let's just say, you don't blow your account. That's what we like to call it. Go to all the way 0 and have to go to the bank and put more money in, right? So if you see US 30 buy stop, you're going to open up your MetaTrader 4 app. You're going to go to the quote screen. The quote screen is the screen with all the blue and red numbers on it. I'll show you an example, a live example of it tonight. And under price, right? You're going to go and enter where it says entry 33106, right? Under TP, it says that means take profit. There's a number that's right there, 33136. You're going to go to the line that says take profit, and you're going to put those numbers in. It's very simple, okay? On stop loss, you're going to go to the stop loss line and put in the numbers 32787. This is making sense so far, right? And then you're going to hit place. You're not going to touch anything where it says expiration. Leave that alone. We're not going to touch that. We're going to hit place, and the trade is in. Okay. Same thing with the sell. You go back into the quote screen, the blue and red numbers. You enter, right? You place trade. You go to the menu at the top, select sell stop, go to entry. Entry means price. You have those numbers there, 32847. You add those numbers on the price line, right? TP, 32817. Whatever numbers pop up to. So let me explain this to you. When you enter these numbers, there's going to be a default number there. You're going to erase those numbers, okay? And add the numbers that we give you, right? So TP means take profit. You're going to put 32817 on the take profit line. And SL is stop loss. You're going to put 33176 on the stop loss line. So when we say copy and paste, that's exactly what we mean. You're going to take the numbers that we give you and you're going to place them in the MetaTrader 4 app, right? So style of trading we do, guys, style of trading is called intraday. That means we're entering the trades tonight, right? We trade at the London sessions. Most of the time, we're going to start doing more New York session trades. But we're doing intraday trades, meaning we're going to enter the trade today. We plan on exiting the trade the same day, right? London session, those trades come out about 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, right? Take those notes, right? 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, when we see consolidation, and around 11 p.m. 12 midnight Pacific Standard Time, you're going to start seeing movement when the London session opens, okay? New York session, we have the scalping session with Gabe. That's about 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? And then I'm going to start looking at trade ideas about 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and putting out daytime trades. How many people caught our trade today? About, I think it's about 8, 9 a.m. Who caught that trade? Put some number 9s in the chat. Caught the trade for 50 pips. Oh, yeah, we put that trade out this morning. If you guys go look in the Telegram group, you'll see that the results there. A lot of people caught that bag. And yeah, a lot of people caught that bag. One person said they put the trade in, but they got rejected. And the reason why trades get rejected is because you have the wrong lot size. And we'll go over that and what you need to do, right? So the trading style is intraday, right? Enter the trade today, exit today. And that's pretty much it. Let's go over to the next slide here. Lot size. Lot size is very important, guys. You got to understand what your lot size is. US 30 is very volatile, okay? It's very intense. It's very aggressive. So typically on a broker like Cot Forex, Hilgers Way, these type of brokers, a 0.01 lot size equals $1. So on the right-hand side, I have an example of when you execute a trade, it's gonna have a lot size there by default. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have $1,000 in your account or less, right? 200, right? You need at least a minimum of $200 in your live broker account to trade US 30. Write that down. Anything less than $200, you get rejected. You don't have enough money. Recommended starting your broker account recommended to trade US 30 is $500 to $1,000. If you can do more close to $1,000, even better. Because you need cushion, guys. When the market goes backwards and it pulls back negative on you, you want to have room for that pullback, right? You don't have much room with 200, but can you trade with 200? Absolutely, absolutely. Can you trade Forex with less than that? Absolutely. You can start an account with $10, trading regular Forex pairs like EUR/USD, right? GBP, JPY, stuff like that. You can start an account with $10, right? But we're talking indices, index, right? US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. That's called the indices. Most professional traders trade the index. You need at least $200, guys. Is that understood? Type number 2 in the chat if that's understood. Okay. If you have $1,000 or less, your lot size should be 0.01. Proper risk management. On a live account, prop firms are different. Okay. Funded accounts are different. I'm talking about on a regular trading account. Okay. That's what we're talking about. A 0.10 is $10 per pip. Write that down or take a screenshot of it. Okay. 0.10 is $10 per pip. A 1.0 full lot is a $100 per pip. Okay. Every night we do 30 pips. That's the goal. Every time we put a trade out tonight, at night, like we're going to do tonight about 8 o'clock, we're going to do about 30 pips. Okay. All right. So you guys catch me so far. You guys follow me so far, right? So every night we do 30 pips. Okay. About 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay. 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. To the T. To the T. So if you know you have 30 pips going in the right direction to our goal, if you know you have 0.01 as your lot, you should already know how much money you're going to make tonight, right? So if you have 0.01 and a 0.01 is equal to $1 and we're doing 30 points, that's a $30 profit. So you should already know what your profit's going to be before it comes. Does that make sense? If you do a 1.0 lot size, which is $100 per pip, you know you're going to make $3,000 in one night, right? I always say this, recommended risk, okay? Understand this, the recommended risk at the bottom, okay? 0.01 lot size per 1,000. What does that mean? You should have a 0.01 lot size per 1,000. So that means if you have a balance of $2,000, what should your lot size be? 0.02. If you have $3,000 in your balance, what should your lot size be? 0.03. Is it small? Yeah. Can you trade? Can you up that lot size if you wanted to? Yeah, you can. But this is a marathon, not a sprint, right? Most people get greedy and up their lot size. And in some cases, they'll make the money and be excited about it. But what if it goes the wrong direction? You could blow your account if you up the lot size, right? And we want to build our accounts over time. You want to be able to trade another day. Does that make sense, ladies and gentlemen? Type the word yes, if that makes sense. Awesome, 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 awesome. Moving right along. Let's talk about support resistance. Let's keep it simple, right? When we talk about support resistance, this is a strategy we use when we trap the market. At the bottom, where you see the green bar, that's called the support. That's the floor, right? At the top, where you see the red bar, that's called resistance. That's half the battle. If you can understand, right? If you understand how support resistance works, that's half the battle of trading, guys. The market goes up, it goes down, and it goes sideways, okay? Sideways is called consolidation, right? And you have up, bullish, bearish, right? So the market plateaus and it consolidates sideways. Notice how none of the candlesticks at the bottom are going past the green bar. That happens in the market. When that happens, you can recognize a floor that's called support. Notice at the top, the red bars, candlesticks is what we like to call them because they look like candlesticks, right? With the wicks, they never go past the red bar at the top. There's always places like that in the market where you can identify support, resistance, and mark up your chart. And this is the strategy we use in simple terms, right? Every single night. There's different ways to speak the language of trading Forex. There's a lot of different strategies. I'm just teaching you the basics, okay? Let's move right along. Buy stop, sell stop. What exactly does that mean? We do buy stops and sell stops every night. Buy stop means we want our we want the market to go up and through our target. Sell stop means we want the market to go down and through our target. That's basically what it is. We want the market to come to us. These are pending trades. Market execution means instant. If you select market execution and hit buy or sell, you're in the trade immediately. Okay. When we do buy stops and sell stops, they're pending trades, meaning we want the market to come to our target and then activate us. Buy means up, sell means down. Always remember that. Anytime you see a buy, we want it to go up. Anytime you see a sell, you want it to go down, right? And trading is all about calling the right direction. If you select sell and it goes down, you make money. If you select buy and the market goes up, you make money. Simple. Your job is to call the right direction. Or just copy the experts that give you the direction, right? Buy limit, sell limit, same thing, but a little different, right? Buy means we want the market to go up. So on a buy limit, it means the market is trending down. It's trending down. We want it to hit our target at the bottom, but then bounce up like a basketball, right? Ultimately going up, right? And then you have sell stop. Sell stop means the market's going up, but we want it to hit our target at the top and then fall, drop, kind of like it did today, okay? So remember, sell means down, buy means up. It doesn't matter if it's a stop or a limit behind the word. Just know that buy, we want our target to be at the top. Sell, we want our target to be at the bottom for the take profit. If that's making sense so far, type the number 5 in the chat. Yeah, very recommended. So if you're brand new, guys, you want to use a demo account in practice, okay? Trust me, the market's not going anywhere. The money's not going anywhere. You want to use the demo account to get comfortable. Practice putting the trades in, understanding buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, market executions, scalping, putting out multiple trades at one time. You guys want to do that on a demo account so you don't blow your real account. When you get comfortable, yeah, you can use a live account. You can use a live account. Have 2 accounts. Have a live account to copy and paste. And then if you want to practice and do the extra stuff, do that on your demo account. Most traders have multiple accounts. Okay. Understood. That's understood type number 1. This is for, I'm using an iPhone, guys. Remember, the Android is a little different. I'm using the iPhone. Yes, we can see. Awesome. So if I'm placing a trade, guys, I'm on the quote screen. So remember I told you the screen with all the red and blue numbers? This is called the quote screen. Okay. So if I just simply tap the screen, it's going to say trade. I can select trade. Okay. Right there, my lot size, recognize my lot size. Can anybody tell me what my lot size is? How much money that is? A 0.13. Can anybody tell me what that is? Anybody, can anybody tell me what that is? Let me check in the chat. Who knows what it is? How much money is that lot right there? 0.013. $13. Yes, sir. Correct. I believe that's Kevin. $13 a pip. That is correct. Right? So if I'm placing a trade, actually, you know what? Let me go back. And I'll give you an example. This is my account here. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to go back on a quote screen. I'm going to push trade, right? And I'm going to go to 0.01. We're going to do $1 just to give you guys an example, right? If I hit sell, this is the market execution. I'm in a trade right now. Okay. So sell. I'm negative $2. Okay. If I want to place another trade, I can go back to quotes, right? Hit trade and hit sell again, right? I got 2 trades in. Is that making sense? Or I can go to the chart, right? I can tap the chart. I can hit trade and I can hit sell again. Okay. Is this making sense, guys? This is how you put multiple trades in. So if you're doing scalping, this is exactly how you do it. You just go to the quote screen, US 30, trade, sell. All right. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 trades in. I'm negative $5. And I did that with $1 because, I don't mind that. Okay. Even though we have a winning streak going on. We have a winning streak going on right now. Let's see. Look at all the blues. You guys see all the blues? No losses. No losses. It's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful feeling, right? Is that making sense? Does this make sense to you guys? Yes. So putting multiple trades in, you're basically, we're in the blues. You're basically just going and doing it over and over and over and over again at a rapid pace. That's basically how scalping works. You're going to going, right? And once you hit your target, you tap it, you hold it down, this comes up and you close it, right? You close it. This is how you close out multiple trades, right? Tap it, boom, close, right? Tap it, boom. This is exactly how scalping works. Close, right? Hold it down, tap it, boom, close, right? That was $0, right? So when you see it, you go to the history, go to the day, and then you start, when you see people posting their results, of course, they're bigger amounts, you'll see like the hundreds of dollars, happening at once on a scalping session, right? When you do multiple trades. Me at night, we're only putting in 2 trades, the buy stop, the sell stop. One of the trades is going to activate. One of the trades is going to hit the profit. Okay. And then you delete the other trade. Okay. All right. I've seen another question. Let me see. Question. Do I need to stay up to monitor the trade each night once entering the signal? Well, I tell you what, the trade activates by itself and it closes by itself. Okay. The trade activates by itself and it closes by itself. Do you need to stay up and watch it? No, because as a professional, what I do, let me tell you what I do, guys. I think my screen closed out. Let me tell you what I do. And if you can hear me still, type number 3 in the chat if you can hear me. I don't watch my phone all night, but I'm trained. Okay, I have muscle memory just to glance at it every now and then. I know typically when I put my trade out at night, it's a 95% chance it's gonna close out by midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So, do I watch it all the time? No, I'm just that confident in the trade. Okay. But do I glance at it every now and then? I might wake up and glance. I do that. And I will put a notification in the chat and let you know, hey, the trade is active. Hey, the trade is coming close to TP. Close the trade out. I will give you those notifications most of the time. But if the trade is set up to actually activate and then close by itself. Okay. Yeah. We'll tell you how to trail the stop and to collect the profits. Okay. We'll tell you how to trail the stop and collect the profits. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, let me know. All right. When you place a trade, when you look at the trade signal, guys, you're going to start at this screen here. Okay. You're going to select US 30. You're going to select trade. We talked about what 0.01 means earlier in this presentation, which is being recorded, right? At the very top, it's going to start off as market execution. That's what most of you guys will see. Remember, market execution means you want to enter the market instantly, right now, okay? But that's not the type of trades we do at night, okay? It's a buy stop and sell stop. So you're going to select market execution and go to buy stop, right? The first line is price. You're going to select price. You're going to erase the numbers that they give you, and then you're going to go to the numbers that we give you. Under buy stop, it says entry 32971. So you're going to go to where it says price. Price means entry. You type in 32971. Very simple. Okay. And these are old numbers. Okay. Old numbers. Stop loss. You're going to select stop loss, erase the numbers, go to what we give you where it says SL under the buy stop. SL means stop loss. You can put the numbers in 32871. 32871. Is this simple or what, guys? This is simple, right? You're going to go ahead and take profit, erase those numbers, right? And you're going to go to where it says TP under the buy stop, and you're going to put in 33001, right? 33001. And then if these numbers were efficient and active at this time, the place button would be blue. That's how you guys know you got the numbers right. I'm putting old numbers in just so you guys can see an example of how to put these numbers in the MetaTrader 4. You push place, and that's it, guys. You just watch the results roll in. And as you copy and paste and put these numbers in, you're going to earn while you learn. We're going to teach you what we mean. We're going to give you the technical analysis. We're going to tell you why we picked the trades we picked. We're going to teach you about the charts as you go along. Can you guys still hear me? Yes? Is this making sense so far? Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Yes? Very simple. And for the sell stop, guys, it's the same exact thing. You're going to go to the menu, select sell stop, and put the numbers in under sell stop. The most important thing is remembering your lot size and using the proper lot size. That's where most people mess up, and that's where they get wrong, where the trades are rejecting you and you're not able to place the trade because the balance is too small or the lot size is too high. That's the only way you get rejected. Okay. More training to come. Absolutely. Guys, we're putting together an app. We're developing an Investment Easy app. Me and Dion Ways and Means are putting together a video library that's going in the back office that's being built as well. Of all these videos, just simple videos, basics on what you need to do to build your portfolio. All that's coming. It's a lot of work, but it's coming. It's coming. So I thank you guys for your patience. Along the way, we are going to be getting amazing results and bringing new products to the platform that are making investing easy, right? And keeping it simplified. Affiliate program is being fine-tuned If you guys have any people that might be interested in learning or being involved in trading, share it, investingmadeeasy.info. Share it, and they can put your name as a referral, and we'll pay you an affiliate, a bonus, a one-time bonus, and you can use that and put it in your live account. That's if you decide you want to do that, guys. So we pay for referrals because we want to get this to as many people as possible. Okay, definitely stay plugged in. I just want to go over a few things over the basics so you guys can get on your way and get some results in the next 30 days. So if you guys have any questions, you can reach out in the Telegram chat. You guys know how to contact me, and we'll get those questions answered. Thank you guys for joining the basic training. You guys are amazing. And until next time, let's trade on. See you guys tonight.